So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others scream, while others curse. And others mourn behind a big black hearse. Some are poor, and some have bread. And some are sober, some are wasted. Some are rich because of fate. And some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out, while others blend. And some are finest out, and some are thin. Some are friends, and some are foes. Some have